Ola is a privacy protection web browser developed by Zoho Corporation, made in India, fastest web browser. Anyone your favorite browser, open address bar lo ola.com, enter key press. Ola official web page, complete display, private and secure super fast web browser. Mouse scroll down, two options display. First one, download for Windows. Second one, need Ola for other platforms. Second option, click. Get Ola for your platform. OS platforms display. First one, Mac Intel. Second one, Mac ARM64. Third one, Linux. Fourth one, Android mobile device. Fifth one, Apple iOS. Select your installation OS related option. Present Windows setup. Window close. First button. Download for Windows. Blue color button. Click. Download Ola. License grant. Application related complete license and Teams information display in box. Read this. After accept and download button, click. Thanks for choosing Ola. Close window. Download icon, click. Download section lo Ola-offline installer v latest version 2.36.3.msi file downloading process start. File size 199 MB. Wait and hear downloading process completed. Mouse scroll down. This is Ola wins Indian web browser development challenge. Scroll down. Utmost protection while browsing data, web protection and safe features. First one, 24-hour security patch policy. Second one, anonymized statistics. Third one, protection against high risk cyber security threats. Fourth one, auto update on all platforms. Fifth one, auto reset browser IDs. Sixth one, geographical data isolation. Complete our data stored in data center establishment in India. Very safest. Completed. Next, installation setup. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo Ola offline exe files display. Select mouse double click. Open file security warning window lo first button run click. Preparing to install. Ola update assistant download folder minimize. Ola installer window lo choose installation levels. Two options display. First one, install Ola for all the users on this device. Install Ola for the current user only. Multiple purpose. First one select. Individual purpose. Second one select. First one default select. Install button click. Thank you for choosing Ola. Setting up. Zoho Corporation Private Limited. Window first button yes click. Installing Ola for all users. Selected option display. Installation process start. Wait and hear few minutes. After installation completed, desktop Ola browser logo display. Second one Ola assistant. Would you like to pin Ola browser taskbar? Taskbar shortcut. If you want shortcut on taskbar, yes click. Unnecessary, no thanks click. Welcome to the Ola browser. Features: privacy, secure, super fast. Let's get you set up. Blue color button click. Customize modes. 5 modes display. Enter your individual profile name. Anyone profile name enter. Chari. Second one, enable or disable the modes below. 5 modes. First one, work mode. Individual purpose, personal work, related first option select. Second one developer, coders and programmer. Second one click. Third one personal, browsing purpose. Fourth one open session, all users. Fifth one kid purpose only, don't show abused contents. Fifth one select kids related. Present third one personal, select mouse left click, continue button click. Kids mode parental control section లో enter the password. 6 to minimum 12 characters enters. Continue button click. Privacy protection. Two options display. First one standard, second one extreme. Second one select privacy and protection options. Ad blocking, tracking and analytic blocking, malicious software and badware blocking, phishing prevention, resource abuse blocking, stealth mode, search ads and self protection, URL tracking and cookies blocking. Second one select, continue button click. Dashboard settings. Two themes display. First one smart dashboard, second one manual dashboard. Second one select, continue button click. Browser theme. Two themes display. First one light, dark theme. Select, continue click. Search engines. 5 search engines display. First one DuckDuckGo, second one Microsoft Bing, third one Yahoo, fourth one Yandex, fifth one Google. Safest search engine DuckDuckGo. First one select default set, second one next continue button click. Import data. Number of browsers install yours, already install your PC or laptop. Other browsers Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Tor and Brave. Different browsers install your PC. Related bookmarks, histories, search engines and links, URLs saved as the same insert in Ola browser. Select the browser to import data. Related box right side down arrow click. Browser only one. Microsoft Edge. Bookmarks, history, search engine. Transfer in EULA. Unnecessary default Microsoft Internet Explorer. Select skip and continue click. Sign in and sign in. Already you having Zoho account, sign in button click. Present unnecessary. Close. Window. Close. Done click. Desktop 2 shortcut logos. Ola browser display second one. Icon. Select double click. Maximize window. Personal mode. Window last one. Not now click. Google click. Search in any topic. Unnecessary. New tab click. YouTube click. This is YouTube interface. Search box type Charlie Tech Info. Very fastest display content. Charlie Tech Info click. Videos click.
This is the Dell AI PC, built for AI. It was designed to optimize your battery life.
Next, top section lo Charlie profile click. Complete Charlie profile edit mode. Top section lo 3 dots click. Preferences click. Complete privacy. Create another one account. First one select open. Created first one account Charlie. Second one add click. Enter another one username. Kids mode select create profile click. Second one profile created.